So one of the first things you're going to want to do with your computer is to plan out your dive. And so to find the dive planning mode, you're going to press the mode button to toggle past dive to the plan mode. Notice we're here in the no decompression mode. Now you can see, if I come back to it here, if I toggle around, you'll see briefly it shows desat. That's the time to desaturation, which if I had just done a dive, I would have some time there, and that's the amount of time until I am back to my baseline levels of dissolved nitrogen. And so here is our dive planning mode. The first thing you're going to want to do is confirm that you are on the right gas mix. So here we're at 21% oxygen, which is normal atmospheric air. So unless you are certified in nitrox, that is what you're going to be using. And you can scroll through here. So here we have the depth. 9 meters is the shallowest setting. Here is going to be the no decompression limit, and at 9 meters you can go on almost indefinitely, so there is no effective decompression limit. But I can use the up and down buttons to toggle through here. So from 9 meters, if I want to go down to 12 meters, 15 meters, 18 meters. So this is at 18 meters, you have 51 minutes of no decompression limit time left. 21 meters to 36 minutes, 24 to 28 minutes. And so you'll see that the deeper that you go underwater, the faster that you on-gas nitrogen into your body. And so the shorter your no decompression limit becomes. So as we get deeper and deeper here to 30 meters, 33 meters, and down to the limit of recreational diving, which is 40 meters or 130 feet, we have only 8 minutes on the bottom. You'll notice down here in the bottom right, it says we're at dive number 1, and that is because when you do multiple dives in a day, you have some residual nitrogen left over in your body, and the dive computer accounts for that. And so if I wanted to go shallower again and plan a shallower dive, I can figure out what depth I want to go to get the duration dive I want, or how long I can go if I'm aiming for a certain depth. And do note that the longer that you are at the surface between dives, the longer your no decompression limit is for the next dive. So let's say you come up out of the water and you want to have lunch between dives. Don't bother to plan your next dive until you're done with lunch, because that no decompression limit will get longer and longer the longer you're at the surface as your body continues to off-gas nitrogen. So this is how you plan your dives.